students, as I said in the previous video that I will be coming up with the multiplication of 3 by 3 order matrix. So here we will be solving it in a step-by-step fashion. So let's see. What we have to do is, first we have to select the first row and complete its sum with corresponding elements multiplication with the first column, and that will give us the first entry. Then first row second column, that will give second entry. Then first row third column, that will give the third entry of the first row of the resultant matrix. This is of 3 by 3, this is of 3 by 3. So since this is same, multiplication is possible as per the necessary condition, and the resultant matrix will be of the extremes number order. So 3 by 3 order matrix we will get. So let's start. So 1 into 1, so keep 1 in mind, plus 2 into 2, 4. Now add this 4 with what you had in mind. 4 plus 1, 5. Then you can use a rough column also if you, in case you forget. So this is 1 into 1 is 1, plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 21 is 26. So write 26 here. Now next, 1 into 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 6. 16. So write 16 here. Then again select the first row and finish it with the third column. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 6 to the 12, plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 5 3s are 15. So 13 plus 15 is how much? 28. So write 28 here. Now let's move to the second row entries, what we will get. So first you have to select the second row and do its multiplication and subsequent addition with the first column, then second column, then third column. In this fashion we have to go to get the required entries. So 4 into 1 is 4, plus 10 is 14. 14 plus 7 6 is 42. So 14, you can make use of the rough column. 14 plus 42 gives 56. So here we write 56. Next is 4 2s are 8, plus 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 28, I do it again. 4 2s are 8, plus 4 5 is a 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 12. 28 plus 12 gives 40. So here the answer is 40. Now let's do it with third column. 4 into 1 is 4, plus 30 is 34. 34 plus 30 is 64. Now let's switch to the third row, which will give the third row elements of the resultant matrix. So 7 into 1 is 7, plus 16. 7 plus 16 is how much? 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 7 9 is 63. So 63, how much we get? 86. So we write 86 here. Now let's do this row with the second column to get the second entry. 7 2s are 14, right here, 14. 8 4s are 32, right here. 9 2s are 18. So when we add all these values, what we get? 8 plus 2 10, plus 4 14, 3 4 5 6 64. So the answer is 64. This way we have to solve. You can add it mentally also. It is nothing but sum of the product of the corresponding entries of the row with respect to column. So again this way we will go for the last entry. 7 into 1 is 7, plus 6 8s are 48. So 48 plus 7 gives 55. 55 plus 9 5s are 45 gives how much? 100. So the last entry is 100. So this is how we do multiplication of 3 by 3 order matrix. We just have to go in this way. For the first entry, the value will be obtained by doing the operation of first row with the first column. This will give this entry. Then first row with second column, this will give this entry. Then first row with third column will give this entry. Second row first column will give this entry. Second row second column will give this entry. Second row third column will give this entry. Similarly, third row first column gives this entry. Third row second column gives second element of the third row. Third row third column gives third element of the third row. So this is how matrix multiplication is done. We have to be very much accurate while calculating, because there are a few chances of mistake while doing this operation. Otherwise it is very simple. We just have to be very alert while doing the calculation. It's a simple calculation. So I'll be coming up with next videos in upcoming time. So goodbye.